In this video, I will be demonstrating the Sysdig web client. I currently have one GKE on-prem cluster that I will be going over with you. Sysdig supports multiple clusters, but for the sake of simplicity, I'm sticking with the one for this video. On the left navigation menu, you can find shortcuts for dashboards, alerts, and events. In dashboards, you can find many predefined dashboards that are available as soon as you activate the connection between Sysdig and your GKE on-prem nodes. And of course, you can create your own dashboards as you see fit. You can enable a whole bunch of predefined alerts for different Kubernetes resource metrics, or create custom alerts for your needs. In events, you will find that Sysdig is able to pick up everything that is happening in your GKE on-prem cluster. There are a lot of failures because I intentionally did not completely finish setting up these services for the sake of this demo. What I really wanted to explore with you was the metrics that were recorded over the last few days. Sysdig has some fascinating output. Looking at overview by host, we see that my cluster isn't using that much CPU or memory at the moment, but there is some activity happening on the network and disk. We can dig deeper into the networking bits by viewing the Kubernetes service Golden Signals dash. Here we can find some information regarding service response time, request rate, and error rates. As opposed to overview by host, we can get an overview of Kubernetes health in general. And now, probably my favorite part about Sysdig, the network traffic panels. We can use this panel to visualize the network topology of our deployments and pods, and even the entire cluster and nodes. If I click these corner arrows, I can go deeper into Kubernetes resources, starting from the cluster name, then the namespace, then the deployment name, and all the way down to the process of the container. And I can isolate a specific resource's network diagram by clicking it, which highlights its network for visibility. So as you can see, regardless of whether you're using GKE on-prem or in the cloud, Sysdig triumphs and doesn't fail to discover valuable information about our clusters.